In this video I'll show you how to change a Euro cylinder. You just got to bear with me, it's not in the door obviously. So all you see outside is that. So what you got to do, you got to open your door a little bit so the screw is visible. It's normally hiding under a faceplate. Always roughly there. So there. So remove the faceplate, undo the screw. It's really simple, to be honest. So that's for most Euro locks, even the UPVC door locks, the sash locks that are Euro based. So from outside or inside, you have to put a little bit of pressure on the opposite side with your other finger, because a lot of these locks, even without the screw, they still don't come out. Most of them won't. So you put a little bit of pressure on the back, put your key in, turn it a little bit until you feel it move. Just jiggle it around, and you'll find it comes out easily. Because when the key's out, this black part sticks out slightly, so that just in case the screw does fall out, the lock just won't fall out of the door. So you always have to do that. Then to put the new one in, that's a basic one, is a higher security ABS. And to put it back in, again you have to put the key in, get that black bit flush. There's your door, for example. Put it back in there, just jiggle it a little bit. Just turn it a little bit, just so you feel it's gone in. See, that's gone in now to the right position. Then you just put the screw back in. Sometimes it's good practice to put a little bit of thread locker on the screw. Not all down the whole length. Only on, say, the end of it, like, I don't know, for example, just on this last tip here. So when it goes in, all the doors slamming and banging, the screw doesn't become loose. And that's it. With your new cylinder fitted. You can buy these on my website, lockmonster.co.uk. That's lockmonster.co.uk. That's it. I'll be doing some more videos later. Thanks.